Parts of it are going okay, parts of it are shitty.
Sounds like life.
Feels like life.
You know, life is a highway.
Life is a highway. Tom Cochran said that.
Who?
Tom Cochran. He has a song called Life is a Highway.
How about Gary LeVox?
No.
From Rascals Flats?
Are you f***ing kidding me? You just dated yourself. You're like a 9-year-old to me. You know that's not his song, right?
Life is a highway?
It's not his song. It's a cover.
I don't think that's right.
You want that?
Sounds like the 80s, dude. This song is a freaking banger, dude. So, out of curiosity, does the hood close on that 4Runner? Or Land Cruiser, rather?
Sure does. We didn't really test fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just put it on there, put the motor in it, and then 2-hand slam the hood.
There you go.
Yep. And it's with self-clearance if there was an issue.
Yeah.
Solve the problem.
Yeah.
On to the next. I think it'll look pretty good.
Yeah.
Once you cut the top off, you know.
Is that happening?
Yeah, we're cutting the roof off. Partial roof cut.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Like from the B pillars back?
Gonna kind of be like a crook, you know?
Mm.
Yeah.
Taillights work.
Yeah.
Rocking the shorts today, huh?
Sure am. Last week I was wearing several layers because it was like 15 degrees outside. This week I'm wearing shorts and a short sleeve shirt. So that's fun.
Yeah, it's like make up your mind, right?
I know.
Good news is after tomorrow, it's gonna rain for like 2 weeks straight.
That is good news.
Yeah.
That's great news.
Love to see it.
Yep. You know what that also means? It means I won't be able to clean my car for several weeks.
Should get a Chevy Sonic.
Yeah?
Yeah, they look good, clean and dirty.
That's okay. I'm already sporty Sonic, so.
Well, yeah, I mean, I feel like that's a misleading name.
Make sure you name drop my Instagram tag.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna spell it wrong though.
Okay.
So,
God damn it. We're so bored we gotta film lunch.
yeah. I already filmed your operational taillights here.
Yeah. Brake lights actually.
Oh. Oh wow.
Is that Silverado on the paperwork? The customer came and picked up their car here, so we're just taking the rental car back to them. When you get back, I'll have the keys to the paperwork and the shop car keys right here, so you can just grab them, Jet. Cool. Thanks, Mark.
Geoff in here doing management shit, dog.
Doing jack shit. Yo, you caught some management earlier. Were you recording that?
Yeah.
Sweet.
When you were
Delegated. My favorite thing to do, you know what I'm saying?
easy.
Easy. Pump the brakes. I catch myself saying that all the time now. Like I was at the Taco Bell drive-thru in the Kia,
Yeah.
and the engine bogged down a little bit. It was
It's
easy.
easy now.
Easy. Yeah, even the people in the band are saying that. So you started a trend there, Quinn.
Oh,
Yeah.
Well, you know, they don't call me trendsetter.
That's where that statement stops.
That's why I stopped the sentence.
Yep. They don't do they?
They don't.